Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what has changed about the adjustments in Dress to Impress. So basically you're able to now adjust freely, more freely than before. Here I'll show you an example real quick. Where's the gesture set? Oh, here it is. So for instance, this gesture ruffle, I'm actually able to use that as a skirt because it goes all the way down now. So here I'm just going to scale it up a bit, and then if I press Y, as you can see, I'm able to really go down instead of before. He'll take out the skirt so you guys are able to see it. Sorry. As you can see now, it doubles as a skirt, which is pretty cool because of the adjustments. I'm probably going to wear something underneath that still, but yeah, that's still pretty cool. You can do really super cute themes well, not super cute themes, but super cute characters like Ballora using this trick. So yeah, I'm so glad Dress to Impress finally did that, because usually we're able to just use it until this area, so it only goes down until here, but now it goes really down until there. So I'm pretty happy with that. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.